Okay, so I'm working on the intercooler mount for the 3rd Gen Camaro turbo kit. I got this side going. I got this side about to be tacked up. Fit up real nice. But yeah, I kind of forgot to record, so threw up a couple pictures beforehand. And yeah, otherwise everything's going good. We just finished up the chromoly front end, and now I'm getting the intercooler, 6-inch On3 intercooler, all mocked up, so we can get this turbo kit fully done. Waiting on fans and some couplers, and then we'll be able to get the intercooler piping going. I just have to finish this other mount, and then yeah, get these parts here and start banging it out, get it done. So I'll update you in a second here. Got these all welded up. Looking sick. Super sick, brother. All right, so these are hotter than hell. Get them back in the car. Get everything out from underneath the intercooler, and yeah, we'll have mounts. Woo! All right, in the car. Okay, so grab these bolts. Of course, they warped a little bit. So we're back on Austin's car, and it's really dark over here, but we got the new hood. He's been waiting for like, what, 6 months? How long you been waiting for this hood? 6 months. How big is the fucking cowl? 6-inch cowl. Thing is rowdy. So we got that mounted up today, just earlier, and now we just made some radiator mounts with the intercoolers in there, and I'm gonna get this radiator done so then we can finally get the intercooler piping all squared away. And then I just gotta do the right here, the arrow catch hood latches, so this thing doesn't go flying off of the car, and that would suck. So this motherfucker's got my foot pedal. All right, bye. Couldn't fit in there. Intercooler piping, the intake side. This goes to the intercooler, this goes up to the intake. Got to do a hole for IAT sensor and a blow-off valve, bung, the V-band. So I'm gonna weld this up and then double check if we have one of these or not, and just put I think a 3/8 one right here. So get to this time lapse and got to grab that loud ass thing over there.
This fucking looks hideous.
So this is stock engine bay, and then this is short nose tube front end. So much more room.
Slow car, fast car, what?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Maybe.
Hold on.